Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 1 subject maths. Today's topic we are going to discuss is chapter 1 pre-number skills. Come on, repeat after me. What is our chapter 1? Pre-number skills. In this chapter we are going to learn to compare between objects. Like for example, we have here cupcakes. One side we have how many cupcakes? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3. The other side how many we have? Only 1. So this is known as comparison. We should compare on both the sides. Which side we have more number of cupcakes? Here we have 1, 2, 3. The other side we have only 1. So which is more? 3 or 1? 3 is more. So in the box given below we will put a tick mark where we have more number of cupcakes. Now we will go to second comparison. Here we have only 1. The other side we have 2. So 1 is more or 2 is more? You all like to eat only 1 or 2? Yes, I know you all like to eat 2 cupcakes. So 2 is more. So come on, put a tick in the box given below. Now open your maths textbook, page number 9. Maths textbook, page number 9. See, read the first bit. Tick the more number of objects. Where we have more number of objects, we should tick below that. Here we have 3. Other side we have only 1. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is more or 1 is more? Yes, you all know 3 is more. So in this blue box given, put a tick mark with your pencil. Now move to second one. Here we have 1 cupcake. The other side we have 2 cupcake. So 1 is more or 2 is more? Yes, right. 2 is more. So put a tick mark in the box given below. Right. Maintain your book very neatly, children. Put the tick marks neatly using pencil. Now we will move on to the next topic. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. You can see a shelf here. On the top of the shelf we have a clock. On the top of the shelf what we have? A clock. Bottom of the shelf we have a flower pot. Top means up. Bottom means down. So on top of the shelf we have a clock. Bottom of the shelf we have a flower pot. Now we will move on to the next one. Inside and outside. This is a fruit basket. You can see a fruit basket. Which fruits are there in the basket? Mangoes, apple and banana. So these all fruits are inside the basket. But you can see a ball. Where is this ball? This ball is outside the basket. I will give you one more example, children. See, I have a paper glass and a ball. I am putting this ball in the paper cup. Now where is the ball? The ball is inside the paper cup. Where is the ball? The ball is inside the paper cup. One more now. Near and far. Near and far. In this picture you can see a tree, mango and a ball. Now can you see which one? When you say which one is near, mango is near the tree or ball is near the tree? Yes. Mango is near the tree. Near means close. The things which are close to us are near. So mango is near the tree and the ball is little bit far from the tree. Next we have on and under. On and under. You can see a table. On the table you can see a flower pot. Where is the flower pot? The flower pot is on the table. Now you can see a mouse. Where is this mouse? The mouse is under the table. Now I will give you one more example. See, this is the paper cup. I am putting the ball on the paper cup. Now say where is the ball? The ball is on the paper cup. This all once again we will learn in our textbook. Come on, open your textbook. Textbook page number 9. Open your textbook page number 10. All are completed page number 9 neatly. Ticking more. Which is more? Yes. Now move on to the next page number 10. Read the first topic, top and bottom. We have already discussed, no children. The same thing is in our textbook, top and bottom. You can see a shelf here. What is there on top of the shelf? We have a clock placed. Clock is placed on the top of the shelf, and we have a flower pot bottom. So top means up, bottom is down. Next topic is tall and short. Tall and short is used to compare the heights. Compare the height. You and your brother or your sister all are on same height? No. We all are different in our heights. So some are tall, some are short. So here we have two children like Tia and Raj. How is Tia? Tia is taller. Raj is short. You can see their heights. How is Tia? Tia is little bit tall. Raj's brother is short. Understood, children? Tall and short. Tall means long. Short means small, short. Next we have near and far. Near and far. Now this book is near to me. Book is near to me. And you can see this paper cup which is far from me. Yes? In the same way, here we have two pet animals, cat and dog. The cat is near the shelf. The dog is far from the shelf. This is the shelf here. You can see a cat and you can see a dog. The cat is near the shelf. The dog is far from the shelf. Near and far. Near means close to us. Far means in the, like this example. Near the tree we have a mango. Far from the tree we have a ball. In the same way, here we have two pet animals, cat and dog. The cat is near the shelf, but the dog is far from the shelf. This is a shelf given, cupboard. Near the cupboard we have the cat is standing near the cupboard, but the dog is little bit far from the cupboard. Next we have inside and outside. Inside, already I have told you, inside and outside. So all fruits are placed inside the basket. These all fruits are inside the basket. The ball is outside the basket. In the same way here, the toys are inside the cupboard. Where are the toys? We can see cupboard here. Books are there, toys are there, teddy bear, car. These all toys. Where are their books, cupboard, books, teddy bear, cars? They are placed inside the cupboard. Now you can see a ball. Where is the ball? The ball is not inside the cupboard. It is outside the cupboard. Now we will move on to the next page. Page number 11. You can see here Riya and Amit. You can see two children here, Riya and Amit. Where is Riya? Riya is looking back of the curtain. She is looking from behind the curtain. So behind and in front of. Where is Riya? Riya is backside the curtain. So it is known as behind. Where is Amit? Amit is in front. Amit is in front. Riya is behind the curtain. Amit is in front of the curtain. This is the curtain given here. Where is Riya? Riya is backside the curtain. Behind means back. Behind means back. And Raj is in front. So Riya is looking from behind the curtain, but Raj is standing in front of the curtain. Understood, children? Suppose if I keep this book back of this board, means book is behind the board, blackboard. So we can see here once again. Where is Riya standing? Riya is standing behind the curtain. She is back of the curtain. Amit is in front of the curtain. One more example. On and under. Here you can see a table. On the table we have a flower pot. On the table we have a flower pot. And where is this boy sitting? His name is Dev. Where Dev is sitting? Dev is sitting under the table. You can see a flower pot on the table, and you can see a boy, his name is there, he is sitting hiding under the table. Understood? On and under. On means up. On means up. Under means down. So flower pot you can see on the table, but Raj you can see under the table. One more here. Mansi and Preeti. Two girls are sleeping. Yes. Where is Mansi? Mansi is sleeping up. Preeti is sleeping down. So above and below. This is known as above and below. Where is Mansi sleeping? Mansi is sleeping above. Above means up. Below means down. Above means up. Below means down. So Mansi is sleeping above. Preeti is sleeping below. Understood, children? See, Mansi is above Preeti. Where is Mansi sleeping? She is sleeping up above Preeti. But Preeti is below Mansi. Preeti is sleeping down. So once again we will learn. Did you understood, children, what is the meaning of top and bottom? Yes, top means the things which are on top, up. Below means the things which are down. Far and near, the things which are close to us, they are near. The things which are away from us, they are far. On and under. This here you can see in this picture, the flower pot is on the table. Dev is sitting under the table. Here above and below. Mansi is above means up, again below means down. Mansi is sleeping up, Preeti is sleeping down. We can compare heights using tall, short. Yes, here you can see two children, Tia and Raj. Tia is tall, but Raj is short. Did you understood all these, children? You like this you can compare anything, whatever things you have at home, you can compare with that. You have two pencils, you can compare which one is long and which one is short. Yes, you make all these things you can see at home and you can compare. Is it clear, children? Once again you should read all this. Top, bottom. Come on, repeat after me. Say top and bottom, tall and short, near and far, inside and outside, behind and in front of. Behind means back side. In front of means in front. Behind and in front of. Above and below. On and under. On means up, under means down.